Good morning. Welcome to this What I Eat in a Day on Weight Watchers. I am starting my day by getting in a nice walk. It is absolutely gorgeous outside this morning. On this morning, it is 65 degrees. I thought I needed a jacket, but once I stepped outside, I realized I did not. The wind had a slight coolness to the breeze. It was just a perfect morning for a walk. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and starting my day off first thing in the morning with a walk sets me up to reach my goals for the day. I thought that I was going to only walk for about 10 minutes, but once I got outside, I am actually going to go 15 to 20 minutes. And I have walked through our neighborhood quite often, so I have clocked it to see what is my 10-minute mark, or I know a 5-minute mark if I want to get something in really quickly. There's our house. We are the yellow house amongst all of the gray and brown houses. I love that our home pops amongst those colors. The pond was calm this morning. There were no ducks and no geese, which is a rarity. They're usually out there swimming around or hanging out on the side of the bank. This morning, they were nowhere to be found. We also have a muskrat. Well, actually, we have two muskrats that swim in our pond. We have one that swims behind our house and then one that swims a little bit down from our home. We have a lot of wildlife here. I can count the time that I walk through my app, both Weight Watchers and Healthy. I choose not to because I don't need any extra points. I just want to stick to the daily points that I get, and if I need to, I can use the weekly points. So I usually just don't count my walks, but that is a personal choice. Now that I'm home, I am getting me a glass of ice water. I'm usually thirsty after my walk, so I will do this first, and then I'll pour myself a nice cup of coffee. I'll use my Thing 1 and Thing 2 cup this morning. My sister bought me this cup for my birthday, and I absolutely love it. Black coffee, 0 points. Oh, there were 6 egg cups. I made these yesterday. My guys must have enjoyed them for breakfast this morning. Let me show you how I put these together. So I have some green pepper, and I'm just chopping up the green pepper, which I have washed. I have some turkey bacon that I have cooked, and I'm letting it cool just a little bit. I have generously sprayed a muffin tin. I have some canned mushrooms. You can use fresh. I'm gonna put those in the bottom of each muffin cup. And now I'm adding a little bit of green pepper to each of the cups. You can add onion too, but I'm not going to this time. And colored peppers would be really good in here too. I tore 1 strip of turkey bacon in half, and then I crumbled it, and I'm gonna add a half a piece of turkey bacon to each of the muffin cups. Today I am using egg beaters or egg substitute, but if you want, you can just use regular eggs. I'm adding a 4th cup of egg substitute to each of the muffin cups. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. I'm gonna take a butter knife and kind of mix that salt and pepper in so it distributes it evenly. I have my oven preheated to 350. The recipe says it goes in for 20 minutes, but I'm gonna start off by 15 minutes and go from there. Through Healthy, I get 26 daily points and I get 49 weekly points. Through Weight Watchers, I get 23 daily points and 32 weekly points. I'm gonna have a slice of toast to go alongside of my egg cups. I love the Sara Lee Delightful bread. It's only 45 calories and it's 1 point per slice. Through Weight Watchers, breakfast is only 2 points. I have 1 slice of the bread is 1 point. I'm having 2 of the egg cups, which is 1 slice of bacon, so that's 1 point, and then the eggs are 0 points. Through Weight Watchers, that leaves me with 21 points for today. Through Healthy, breakfast is 3 points. 1 slice of turkey bacon is 1 point, eggs is 1 point for a half a cup, and the bread is 1 point per slice. Through Healthy, that leaves me with 23. It only takes 30 to 45 seconds to reheat the egg cups. I am also going to have some fruit on the side, so I'm gonna have a banana, and I have some cantaloupe. I'm using spray butter on my toast, and that is 0 points. This is a delicious low point breakfast, and I know I am not gonna be hungry after I eat this. It is almost 1 o'clock, and I am ready for some lunch. Lately, I have been making a salad for lunch. It's easy to track the points that way, and it's pretty low in point actually, and it's very delicious. So this is what I have been doing. I've been just buying baked salad, and I put that in my bowl, which is 0 points on both Weight Watchers and Healthy. This has radishes in it too. And then I put my whole bowl on my scale, and I'm going to weigh out 3 ounces of smoked turkey breast. Okay, that's 3 ounces. I like to make this with ham too. I usually will buy the ham that's cubed. That is really good in a salad. And I have also boiled up an egg, and I will use either the whole egg or sometimes I use just an egg white. But this week, that's not what I've been doing. And then I have string cheese. It is the light string cheese, and I cut this into chunks and put it in my salad. I like the bite of string cheese in a salad cut like that. Now last week I was using shredded cheese, and it was the fat-free shredded cheese. Can't say that one right. It was fat-free shredded cheese. There you go. And I was using a 1/4 cup, was only, I believe it was like 1 point or something like that. So that's an option too. I love cherub tomatoes. They are my favorite. So I put a few of these on my salad, and then I cut up an English cucumber, so I'm adding that. And I have some green pepper that I chopped for a meal, but the leftovers, I'm using it for my salads. This is the dressing I've been using. It's a sun-dried tomato. I use 2 tablespoons. It's low point. Also on the side, I've been having just some baby carrots. I crunch my way through lunch. That's what I've been doing lately. For lunch through WW, it is 4 points. I have 2 tablespoons of the dressing, which is 2 points. 1 stick of the cheese is 2 points, and the turkey was 0 points, and then all the vegetables are 0 points. That leaves 17 points for the day. Through Healthy, lunch was 5 points. I had the turkey breast, 3 ounces was 2 points. The cheese was 1, and 2 tablespoons of the dressing is 2. That leaves me with 18 points for the day. Now I am ready for a snack. This one I have actually been eating for a few days now. My friend Elise, thank you so much for telling me about this, Elise. I really appreciate it. I love when you guys discover things and you send it to me through Instagram or through Facebook Messenger. And she sent me a picture and she was like, you have to try this. Have you tried it? And I was like, no. I am so glad she told me about this. It is a coconut Cool Whip. It's low in point. It is a game changer when you put this on fruit. You can also put this on a Fiber One bar. That would be really good. But I'm also going to have a cup of coffee with my fruit bowl. So I have single serve pods. Let's see what I've got. I restocked them just recently. So I have Tim Hortons, I have the Donut Shop, and I have a Michigan Cherry. So I'm going to do the Michigan Cherry. And I drink my coffee black most of the time. I do have some fat-free half and half. That's really good, and that's low in calorie. I may decide to do that, but I'm not really sure. Okay, so the fruits that I have this week for my fruit bowl is blueberries and strawberries. Last week I had the whipped cream on top of blackberries and raspberries. That was so delicious. But I also want to take some of these blueberries one day, and I want to make blueberry pancakes, because that is one of my favorite ways to make pancakes. Is I put blueberries in it, spray on some spray butter. You don't even need syrup, and it's just really good. Through Weight Watchers, for 2 tablespoons of the whipped cream, it is 2 points. That leaves me with 15 points for the day. Through Healthy, for 2 tablespoons, it is 1 point. That leaves me with 17 points for the day. 2 tablespoons does not sound like a lot, but honestly, it really is, and it coats the fruit all the way through the bowl. But this whipped topping gives it just a subtle taste of coconut as you're eating the fruit. I can't say enough good about it. You gotta give it a try. Run to your store and grab some, and then you will thank me later. That's all I'm saying. I am gonna go enjoy my fruit bowl and my cherry coffee. I am scrambling up some lean ground beef that I've added some salt and pepper to it. Because for dinner tonight, I am making wet burritos. I love meals like this where I can control my points per item with the meal. This is a good one for that. Nachos, tacos, any meal like that that you can just use either a tablespoon if you have the points. You can change your tablespoon to a cup if you have even more points, or a half a cup, a quarter cup. I love meals like that. Let me show you how I did this through the Weight Watcher and Healthy app. Through Weight Watchers, lean ground beef is 0 points, so I didn't even add it to my Weight Watcher app. The cheddar cheese for 2 tablespoons is 1 point. 2 tortillas is 2 points. And the refried beans for a 4th cup is 3 points. And that makes dinner 6 points, leaving me with 9 points for the day. Through Healthy, for 4 ounces of lean ground beef, it is 6 points. 2 tortillas is 2 points. The cheddar cheese for 3 tablespoons is 1 point. And the refried beans for 3 tablespoons is also 1 point. And that makes dinner 10 points, leaving me with 7 points for the day. These are the refried beans I'm using. They're a chorizo bean. And then this, I love Rico's cheddar cheese. We really enjoy their nacho cheese too. I have some enchilada sauce. This, for as much as I'm using, it's 0 points. Sliced black olives, which are 0 points. And then I have some taco seasoning. These are the tortillas that I'm using tonight. They are 1 point a piece. And then I have toppings like lettuce, tomato, you know, all the good stuff, anything that you can think of as far as a burrito, that's what I'm going to have, which any vegetable is 0 points. I'm gonna add the cheese sauce to this pan and the refried beans to this pan. And the enchilada sauce, I'm just gonna put that in a bowl and pop it in the microwave. I actually don't have enough pans for all these little, you know, toppings, but it'll heat up in the microwave perfectly fine. Time to add in the taco seasoning. This is when the house starts smelling good. I just got all the chopping done. So I have my onion, lettuce, tomato, and then my black olives. In the past, when I made this, sometimes we also put shredded cheese on the inside of the burrito because all the toppings go on top of the burrito. Oh, I forgot to start the microwave to heat up the red sauce. I better do that. Okay, microwave is going. Years ago, we had these in a restaurant, and I told Jason, I'm like, there is no reason we can't make these at home. And he's like, seriously? And so we figured out what they used to make a wet burrito, pretty close to it. And then we make our own little version of it, and that's how we've ate them throughout the years. Okay, I have my food scale out. I have my plate with my tortillas on it. And I am going to turn this on. I better set it where I can see the numbers, right? And I'm going to weigh out 4 ounces. I'm going to do 2 on one and 2 on the other. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but it says 4. Now we assemble. I have a tablespoon and I measured out my beans. So I have 1.5 on each of the burritos. Now I'm going to roll these up burrito style. I used another tablespoon for the cheese and I did the same on each of these, 1.5 tablespoons for each burrito. Now I have the enchilada sauce. I'm gonna drizzle over top of both of the burritos. And now the toppings. So I have some lettuce, and these you can pile on because it's 0 points. I'm putting more lettuce, tomato, and sliced black olives. If you have the points and if you want to, you can also add sour cream. Guacamole, salsa would be 0 points. And there's dinner. Doesn't that just look scrumptious? For snack tonight, I am going to have some of this Halo Top ice cream. It is the PB cookie dough and fudge. It's the mix-ins. And for 2/3 of a cup, it is 160 calories, or you can have the entire container for 460 calories. I will not be having the entire container, but I'm just saying, if you got the points, you can have the whole container. Also, I like my ice cream in an ice cream cone, so I get these little cake cones from Walmart, and let's figure out the points. Okay, we're starting with the Weight Watcher app. I'm gonna go to scanner. For 2/3 of a cup, it is 5 points. Tap on that. I'm gonna switch it over to snack and track. That leaves me with 4 points for the day. Scan in the ice cream cones. For 1 ice cream cone, it is 1 point. That leaves me with 3 points left. Now we are going to scan it through the Healthy app. It is 5 points for 2/3 of a cup through Healthy. Switching that over to snack. That leaves 2 points. And the ice cream cone is 0 points.
So that leaves me still with 2 points. Honestly, I would probably let those points go. I wouldn't even add anything into my day unless I was having a hungry day. Now, if I find myself where I'm hungry later on after the ice cream cone, then I would take these peanut butter pretzels and I would figure out how many per point, and then that would finish off my day. So I have 3 points left through Weight Watchers. For 10 pieces it is 4 points, but I'm gonna adjust that so that I use the 3 points. For 8 of the pretzels, it is 3 points. Put it in for snack, I'm gonna track that, and I used all of my points for the day. With healthy, I'm gonna bring it down to 6 pretzels, which is 2 points, and that's the end of my points for the day. I put my ice cream in a measuring cup to 2/3 of a cup, and I'm going to take it from here and put it into my cone. Whoop! My little cone is moving. But anyway, that's quite a bit of ice cream in a cone. Hey, thank you so much for being here today. I always look forward to your visit. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Wait, do you love what I eat in a day on Weight Watcher videos? Well, here are 2 more you can enjoy next. Thank you for all of your amazing support. You are awesome.